Hello everybody, I chose Animato.com as my multimedia tool to demonstrate to all of my fellow future educators. Animato is a photo slideshow. This website helps students create slideshows to display their work. Students can use this website to create fun presentations about what they are learning. For example, recommended by Mr. McCain, I produced a video on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's simple and not very detailed, but it gets the point across. The website's pretty self-explanatory. You can either choose a template, which is provided here, or you can do what I did and upload your own photos, or you can do short videos. You can type onto the block, which if you click here, you can add text, change the size or the color, or you can leave it blank. You can even change the time. Yet they suggest times for you, so I didn't even mess with it. You can choose background music, so if I exit out of here and go down to this lower tab to music, you can trim the song to the length of your video. Lastly, you can review your video before you publish it, so I'll let it play for you guys. And that's pretty much how you solve a Rubik's Cube. So you can either continue editing or you can produce your work. I think this is a very fun tool to use in the classroom. I had an idea for teachers to use this tool to present classroom work to students. For example, I thought about using this photo slideshow website to display preschool center work. As a teacher, I could make a video of my expectations for each table. This would allow for the students to know what to expect, and I can pause and explain the video after each table center review. So this is Animato.com. Place a comment in my week 2 discussion feed if you would use this multimedia tool, and or what other multimedia tool would you use in the classroom. Thank you for watching.